Welcome to Swallow Web Application SWAPP. In this video, which will be the part 4 of delivery function, we'll cover how to print delivery note. Before moving on with this video, hope you have already covered all the part 3, 1, 2 and 3 videos. So before moving on to the details of how to print a delivery note, there are some prerequisites which is mandatory and it has to be completed before moving on to the details of printing. And those configurations are to be done in Swallow desktop application. The first setting is inside SWAPP global user parameters, SWAPP. There we have two options for printing of delivery note. Only print, print and deliver. So these two options will have impact in printing. So either of these two have to be configured. So let's choose first for the time being. Then we have to set path for saving the PDF file of delivery note, and it will be from there system takes for printing. So the path need to be mandatorily set, and the path is set under tools, path for text file. There for delivery note and for shipment, there are specific numbers against which we have to set the path according to the local machine in which we are working with. And also along with that, the printer setting should already be done. Then only the printing of delivery note, the whole process will be completed. So these are the prerequisites which has to be mandatorily done. Hope it is already done. Let's move on to the printing part. Let's go to SWAPP again. There, go to the details of delivery function. There, to make a delivery note printing, we had to go into the details of required delivery note for which we are making the printing. Let's select a delivery note, and it's inside the details page of delivery note where we have this delivery note printing button. So in order to have this button enabled, there are certain prerequisite conditions to be satisfied. The first condition to be met in order to have printing enabled is that no small boxes should be there. That is, no empty small boxes should be there. In this case, there is no empty small box, so that condition is satisfied. There should not be any empty transport pallet. That condition is also satisfied. And print label of all selected delivery note, that is also satisfied. And if the swap parameter for delivery note handling is the first option, then we need to have a shipment also attached. So here in this case we don't have a shipment. So let's try to attach a shipment here. So in order to attach a shipment, we have the truck icon. Click on that so that you can select a shipment and add the shipment. If you want to create a new shipment, you can do that by clicking on this new, and by remove, if you want to remove, click on this remove shipment button. So you have added a shipment, and now this delivery note button is enabled. If the batch job is running, if you now click on delivery note, if all the printer settings are configured correctly, then the delivery note will be printed. So this is how we do the configuration for printing of delivery note. If this option, let's take some other delivery note. Those both are standard palettes. Here we don't have, the print label is not done. So first we have to print. So that is configured. And if the swap parameter, if you go and select the second option, when you update the data, this button will become enabled. So this is how we do printing of delivery note. Hope it is clear to you all. Thank you for watching.